I just finished my solar project. It's a homemade thing. The top hose is the return from the pump of the filtered water, and there's two, and you can't see the other one, it's down below. And the other hose below the top hose is the return from the panels that I made. And we're going to follow this over. The only thing I had to purchase was a 4x8 piece of plywood. I had all the PVC half-inch. I had bought a 500-foot roll to do irrigation in my yard, and I had about 400 left, actually 380 or something like that. So here's the hoses, and one goes into the panels, and one comes out. And here's what it looks like. The water comes out either 95 up to 138, almost 140. And depends on the speed that I set on my variable speed pump. I have one, if I use my normal presets, it'll run for 6 hours, 2 on high and 4 on low. Low is really a little low, not much water is coming out, but it's coming out hotter. So I have one, it's called the Quick Clean, and it's 2 hours. You hit the Quick Clean, you can dial in whatever speed, RPM you want. You can see the wattage even. So I keep it about 250 watts when I do it that way, so it's not a big deal. When it cleans normally, it has no impact on the wattage that I use to clean my pool. So either way, I'm still cleaning my pool while I'm running this. So it's a pretty simple setup. Goes in, comes out. The other thing is I had to pay $15 for a quart of flat black paint. I had all that gray that's holding the tubing there. That's some conduit I had left over from a solar panel project for my rechargeable battery. And I had like 3 of them. I only used 2, 1 and a third. And there's my watermelons. That's it.